Sid got invited to a very fancy jungle dinner party. They were talking about things Sid had never heard. Words like compound interest, liquidity, expense ratio, capital gains, Roth IRA. So Sid made a list, 15 money words. Definitions straight from the jungle. No hustle house spin. No finance degree required. Let's go. Number 1. Compound interest. Sid's definition. Money that makes money, which then makes more money while Sid sleeps. Real deal. $1,000 at 7% per year, left alone, doubles in 10 years. In 30 years, that same 1,000 becomes 7,600. Zero extra work. The money did everything. That is the lazy move. Sid approves. Maximum. Number 2. Inflation. Sid's definition. The invisible thief that makes his green worth less while he sleeps. Real deal. At 3% inflation, $100 today buys only $74 worth of stuff in 10 years. The money didn't move, its power did, and nobody warned you. That's the Hustle House's favorite trick. Number 3. APR versus APY. Sid's definition. 2 confusing words the Hustle House uses to hide how much they're charging. APR is the base rate. APY includes compounding. Your Vine? Listed as 24.99% APR. Real APY you're paying? Closer to 28. That's the Vine choke. Number 4. Emergency fund. Sid's definition. The stash. The thing that keeps one bad day from becoming 6 bad months. Real deal. 3 to 6 months of expenses. In a lazy bank. Not a checking account. Without it, one Vine panic can destroy years of lazy money. Non-negotiable. Number 5. Net worth. Sid's definition. The scoreboard. Everything he owns minus everything he owes. That is the number that actually matters. Real deal. 50,000 saved, 30,000 in debt. Net worth is 20,000. Your income is your salary. Your net worth is your actual score. They are not the same thing. High earners with low net worth are everywhere. Don't be them. Number 6. Liquidity. Sid's definition. How fast can he grab the green when he needs it? Real deal. Cash is 100% liquid. A house is basically zero. Keep at least some lazy income in liquid form. If everything is locked up when the Vine panic hits, you're stuck. Number 7. Index fund. Sid's definition. The lazy bundle. You buy a tiny piece of every big tree in the jungle at once. Real deal. One index fund gives you exposure to 500 companies. Spread the risk. Pay almost no fees. The lazy way to invest. Sid's favorite category. Number 8. Expense ratio. Sid's definition. The annual Vine fee. The fund charges this just to hold your green. Real deal? Vanguard Index Fund, 0.03%. Actively Managed Fund, 1.2%. On $100,000 over 30 years, that 1.2% costs you $400,000 more in lost compounding. $400,000. Paid in fees to someone who underperformed the index anyway. The Hustle House in fee form. Number 9. Dollar cost averaging. Sid's definition. Go lazy on it. Same amount every month. Don't think. Real deal. Invest $200 every month, no matter if the market is up or down. You automatically buy more shares when it's cheap, fewer when it's expensive. Set it. Go take a nap. Number 10. Roth IRA. Sid's definition. You pay tax once, right now. Then the government never touches the growth again, ever. Real deal. Max $7,000 per year. Start at 22, that grows to $1.7 million by 65, and you owe zero tax on any of it. Zero on $1.7 million. The government's laziest gift. Free money from your boss. Number 11. 401k employer match. If your employer matches 3%, that is a 100% return on day one. Before you invest a single extra dollar anywhere else, you claim this. Ignoring this is the single biggest money mistake Sid sees in the wild. Sid is not happy about this. Number 12. Budget. Sid's definition. Not a punishment. It's the plan. You tell the money where to go, or it disappears on its own. Real deal. Doesn't have to be complicated. 50-30-20 rule. 50% needs, 30 wants, 20 lazy money. Pick one system, stick to it, sleep better. Number 13, passive income. Sid's definition? Lazy income. Green that shows up while you're sleeping. Real deal. Dividends, rental income, index funds growing over time. A business that runs without you. This is the entire point. Every word on this list, compound interest, index funds, Roth IRA, dollar cost averaging, all of it leads here. Financial freedom starts here. Full lazy mode. Number 14. Diversification. Sid's definition. Don't put all your fruit in one tree, because when that tree falls, and trees fall, you eat nothing. Real deal. Spreading investments across different stocks, sectors, and countries. Not betting everything on one company, one trend, or one friend's tip. The lazy jungle rule. If one tree burns, you still have 49 others producing. That is the point. Number 15. Capital gains. Sid's definition. The extra green the government wants a cut of when you sell something for profit. Real deal. Buy a share at $50. Sell it at $80, $30 gain. The IRS wants a slice. Long-term gains, held over 1 year, taxed at a lower rate. Short-term, under 1 year, taxed like regular income. The lazy move, hold long, keep more. Let the tree grow before you harvest. 15 words. Sid now knows all of them. The Hustle House is not happy about this. Look, most people don't fail at money because they made bad investments. They fail because nobody explained the words. Now you know 15 of them. The lazy move is always the right move when you understand the rules. Subscribe. Sid's definition. The smartest lazy move you'll make today. Also, next video, exactly which accounts, apps, and auto transfers to set up. 45 minutes to build. Runs forever. That's the deal.